Hey everybody, Sam Sottile, sales specialist at LDV. We're here today taking a look at Bryan Fridenstine's brand new 24-foot M2. It's shipping out in a couple of days here. We want to show you some of the cool stuff inside. On Bryan's truck, there's a couple other cool features. He got the LED light package, so LED headlights and all the LED lamps on the truck, on the box, and on the cab. Stainless steel steps, aluminum tanks, really brightens the truck up, really looks cool. 6-inch stacks, the short 30 tip style on them. So Bryan had us put a neon backlit display board in for him.
Also, this truck has a hidden compartment. This is your just-in-case compartment. It's a secret compartment.
A couple of the cool features on Bryan's truck. We got a small knife display right next to the work center. On the top of his repair center, he put the extra tall sides on it so you can display product up here without it falling off into the wheel well. Color core slats for the ceiling really tricks the truck out. Yeah, also standard in our trucks now are 2,000 watt inverters. Bryan opted for 2 of them, but the standard now is single 2,000. And we also went kind of the black motif in Bryan's truck. He's got the black air tool holder, the black inset logo, and the black 2-inch wrench. He also added one of LDV's sliding displays. It's got magnets on it. Yeah, he also put in a swirl plate, but we also made it flush mount for him, so easy to get toolboxes in and out of the toolbox area.